Guys, NVIDIA is absolutely killing it in the stock market right now. I mean, they have been for quite some time, and it's all thanks to their amazing innovations in artificial intelligence, aka AI. You know how they were always known for their top-notch graphics processing units, or GPUs? Well, they've taken things to a whole new level and are totally redefining the AI game. It's got everyone from investors to tech geeks super excited, and that most certainly is only going to keep increasing the stock price into the near future. Now guys, in case you're new around here, my name's Nima. Welcome to the channel and thank you for clicking in. I'm a corporate executive with over 15 years of experience in both sales and finance. My videos break down complex financial concepts to help you on your financial journey, whether you're just starting out or if you're already a seasoned pro. So let's jump into today's topic, the secrets behind NVIDIA's AI-driven stock market surge. So NVIDIA's GPUs are basically the heart and soul of AI operations. They are driving some crazy advancements in machine learning and data processing. These high-performance GPUs are becoming essential in so many industries like healthcare and finance. It's like NVIDIA is becoming this unstoppable force that everyone relies on. But it's not just about making cool graphics anymore. NVIDIA is branching out into some really interesting areas. They're working on autonomous vehicle systems and AI-driven data centers. Imagine cars that can make real-time decisions on the road thanks to NVIDIA's tech. And their AI-optimized data centers are handling the massive demands of cloud computing. Honestly, it's pretty freaking wild. Now, with all of this success, NVIDIA's stock has been skyrocketing. But of course, there are some things to keep in mind if you're thinking about investing. Now, while their dominance in the GPU and AI markets look super promising, the rapid rise in stock prices does raise some concerns about overvaluation. Plus, NVIDIA is facing some tough competition as they try to solidify their place in the AI hardware world. Now, looking ahead, NVIDIA is in a great position to ride the wave of global AI trends. They're making big moves in sectors like healthcare, finance, and transportation. Their AI solutions for autonomous vehicles could totally change the way that we travel. And they're really committed to using AI for sustainable growth, which is awesome. NVIDIA isn't just leading in graphics processing. Their work in AI is setting new standards. Now, here are some key points that I'm going to list out about NVIDIA's AI revolution. First off, NVIDIA's expansion into the AI sector has opened up so many opportunities. Analysts are predicting that their stock will keep climbing because the demand for AI tech is just going to keep growing. NVIDIA is perfectly positioned to grab a big chunk of that market. Their GPUs have become crucial for AI, pushing the limits of what's possible in machine learning and data analysis. They've even launched the NVIDIA Grace CPU, which is specifically designed for AI and high-performance computing. It's clear that they're all in on advancing AI capabilities. Now, NVIDIA's AI tech is being used in all sorts of fields. Here are some examples. First, NVIDIA in healthcare. AI-powered diagnostics and research are changing the game for patient care. Now you might be wondering, what does this mean? Well, just imagine that AI can look at medical images like X-rays and MRIs and possibly spot things that doctors might miss. This means quicker and more accurate diagnoses, which is huge for patient care. Plus, AI is speeding up drug discovery and helping researchers understand genetic diseases faster. NVIDIA's GPUs are the muscle behind all of this, crunching massive amounts of data super quickly. The second involvement is NVIDIA in finance. Sophisticated AI models are helping with real-time data analytics and risk management. NVIDIA's AI models are helping banks and financial institutions analyze market trends and manage risks in real time. Just think about it. AI can predict stock movements and spot fraudulent transactions by analyzing patterns in the data. This means better security and smarter decisions. NVIDIA's tech makes it possible to process all of this info at lightning speed, which is a big deal in the fast-paced world of finance. And the third involvement is NVIDIA in transportation. NVIDIA's self-driving tech is leading the charge to make autonomous vehicles a reality. Their AI processes data from sensors like cameras and radar to understand the car's surroundings and make driving decisions on the fly. This tech can predict pedestrians, navigating tricky road conditions, and more. NVIDIA's Drive platform provides the power needed to run these complex AI algorithms, bringing us closer to a future where self-driving cars are gonna become the norm. Just imagine, guys, safer roads and smoother traffic. That's what NVIDIA is working towards. Now, let's talk about some important questions. How does NVIDIA stay ahead in the AI market? Well, guys, the answer to that is that they keep innovating and forming strategic partnerships. By investing heavily in R&D and working with other top tech companies, they keep their product lineup cutting edge. Another question is, what challenges does NVIDIA face in the AI hardware space? Well, even though they are already dominant, NVIDIA has to deal with competition from other tech giants like AMD and Intel. Plus, the fast pace of tech advancements means that they have to keep up or risk falling behind. Another question is, how is NVIDIA integrating sustainability into their AI initiatives? Well, guys, they're all about sustainable tech innovations, aiming to reduce energy consumption and their carbon footprint with more efficient data centers and eco-friendly AI solutions. They are committed to supporting sustainable AI practices that align with global environmental goals. Now, guys, I have to let you know that one thing that is really impressive about NVIDIA is their commitment to education and training. They've launched the NVIDIA Deep Learning Institute, which offers courses and certifications to help developers, data scientists, and researchers get up to speed with AI and deep learning. This initiative not only helps individuals advance their careers, but also ensures that there's a growing pool of talent ready to leverage NVIDIA's technologies. Another exciting area where NVIDIA is making waves is in the gaming industry. Their GPUs are not only powering AI advancements, but also delivering incredible gaming experiences. With technologies like ray tracing and DLSS, which is also known as deep learning supersampling, NVIDIA is pushing the boundaries of what's possible in gaming graphics, making games look more realistic and more immersive than ever before. NVIDIA's influence extends way beyond just hardware and software. They're also heavily involved in the AI research community by publishing papers, participating in conferences, and collaborating with academic institutions. NVIDIA is contributing to the broader AI ecosystem. This involvement helps drive innovation and ensures that NVIDIA stays at the cutting edge of AI research and development. Lastly, it is worth mentioning NVIDIA's role in the development of the metaverse. As virtual and augmented reality technologies continue to evolve, NVIDIA's GPUs and AI capabilities are playing a crucial role in creating immersive virtual worlds. Their Omniverse platform is designed to enable collaboration and simulation in a virtual environment, which could revolutionize industries like architecture, engineering, and entertainment. So guys, in a nutshell, NVIDIA's success is all about their cutting-edge hardware and the powerful CUDA, otherwise known as CUDA systems, and AI platforms. This combo has pushed them to the forefront of the AI industry and driven their stock into new heights. I appreciate all of you watching this video all the way through, and I hope you learned something new about NVIDIA in ways that maybe you hadn't before. Please don't forget to smash that like button and subscribe down below, and also ring that notification bell for more videos every single week. I'll catch you all in the next video.